Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, Hale. Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you, Niharika. All are here, but please switch on your videos.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, very good morning, Joan.
Ma'am,
And Maria, Adira, good morning. Good morning to all of you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who's calling me? And Maria. Yeah, no? Sri Rudra, yes. No? Okay, fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who's
Ma'am,
calling me? Yes, Achut, yes. Tell me, dear.
Ma'am, last Saturday I became brother of two girls.
Wow, twins.
Yeah, ma'am.
Great news, right?
Ma'am, they will come today. They will come today.
So are you excited?
Yeah, ma'am. Yesterday night I didn't sleep also.
Yes. Okay. Niren, please switch on your videos. Arush, can't see. Yes, switch on your videos. Yes. So where we stopped in the last class? Any idea? Where we stopped? Who's going to tell me?
Ma'am, we learned about Malwa Plateau.
Very good. We learnt about Malwa Plateau, right? Yes, Adira. Very good. One more plateau we learnt. That is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Yes, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Very good. So where is it located? Our Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau?
Ma'am, in Central Highlands.
In Central Highland. Very good. I'll show the image for you. Okay, let's do a quick. Yes, just a minute. I hope this landforms, plateaus and all that is clear for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, very good. Yeah, in this map, is this clear? This map?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is our Malwa Plateau. And here, this small portion, this is our Chota Nagpur Plateau, right? So both our Malwa Plateau and also Chota Nagpur Plateau are located in Central Highland. It is not in this area, right? Not a part of Deccan Plateau. Our Malwa Plateau and also Chota Nagpur Plateau, they are located in Central Highland. In the Central Highland. Like this, right? Yeah. What is the speciality of Peninsular Plateau, Adidev? I'll ask, okay? I'll ask. Yes. Tell me, dear. What is the speciality of Chota Nagpur Plateau? Sorry, Peninsular Plateau.
Ma'am, it is in triangular in shape.
Yes.
Morning, ma'am.
The shape, our Peninsular Plateau is triangular in shape, right? Very good. And Maria, is there any other feature for our Peninsular Plateau?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
the top is flat and the down is like cone.
Okay. The first feature of our Peninsular Plateau that is about the shape that is triangular in shape. Janvi, is there any other features?
Ma'am, it is the largest feature.
Very good. It is the largest region of India, right? In this picture, look at this picture. Yes. From this picture itself, it's very clear, right? This yellow region, this is more, right? This is the largest region of India, our peninsula plateau.
Plateau.
Okay, is that clear? It's not plateau, it's plateau. Okay, so I'll draw again. So this is our peninsular plateau. So the next question for Adri. Are you here? No. Hale, please. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
River, yes, Aditri. I'll give another question for you. Hale, which river that flows through peninsular plateau?
Narmada river flows.
Very good. That's our Narmada. What's the spelling? Narmada river that flows through the peninsular plateau. Amaya. So look here, our Narmada river that divides our peninsular plateau into two, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So which are the two regions?
Deccan Plateau and Central Highland.
Deccan Plateau and Central Highland. Very good, Juwan. So where is our Central Highland? Is it north to Narmada or south to Narmada? Where
Can you
is
hear me?
Central Highland? Is it north to Narmada or south to Narmada?
North to Narmada.
North, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm writing Central Highland here. You're right. Okay, very good. Sri Rudra, where is Deccan Plateau? Is it north to Narmada or south to Narmada?
South to Narmada.
Sorry, Sri Rudra?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
South to
It's
Narmada.
south, right? It's south to Narmada. So I'm writing Deccan Plateau here. Deccan Plateau. Okay. So which are the two plateaus that located in our Central Highlands, Ringa? Which are the two plateaus that located in Central Highland?
Malwa Plateau and
Malwa Plateau. The first plateau, that is Malwa Plateau. And one more plateau is there in Central Highland. What is it?
Nagpur.
That is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. So Arjun, is everything okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, fine. So Malwa Plateau. What is the main speciality of Malwa Plateau? Mayaza? The main feature of Malwa Plateau. Something is special there. A unique feature. Any idea?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I couldn't unmute. So, ma'am, it has plenty of black soil.
Very good, very good. The Malwa Plateau, it's rich in black soil, right? This black soil is again famous for Achyut. Black soil is very good to cultivate.
Ma'am, cotton.
Very good. So you all revised well. Very good. Congratulations. Very good. So Malwa Plateau, our black soil is there in Malwa Plateau. And this Malwa Plateau, okay, this region is very good to cultivate which plant? Our cotton plant. Okay, very good. Then Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell me the states about this Malwa is located? Where is this Malwa located? Can you tell me the states?
Rajasthan,
Very good.
Madhya Pradesh.
Tell me.
Ma'am, Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, right? So I'm going to draw the Malwa Plateau in our map. Okay, like this, right, Pranav? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, so Malwa Plateau is located in Rajasthan and also in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, very good. So I hope this portions, everything is clear for you, right? Any doubt, anyone? Okay, very good. Catherine? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So which are the rivers that flow through Central Highland?
Chambal,
Very good. Wait,
Sun.
very good, Catherine. Very good. Chambal, Betwa, and Son are the rivers, the main rivers that flow through Central Highland. Next. Prarthana?
Yes, ma'am.
She's happy. Yes. Prarthana, which are the rivers that flow through Deccan Plateau?
Narmada,
Narmada.
Godavari, and Kaveri.
Narmada, Godavari, and Kaveri. Okay, very good. But let me ask a question. Do you have any idea where this Narmada river end or where this Godavari river end? Any idea? Yes or no? That's it.
No, ma'am.
No, right? Let's learn that. Okay, let's learn that. Just a minute.
Look at this. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Please. You can ask, dear.
Ma'am, so are we in the Deccan Plateau?
Deccan Plateau?
Are we in the Deccan Plateau?
Your question is not clear for me.
He's asking, are we in the Deccan Plateau? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, please ask. Now we are going to discuss about the rivers. Look here, just go through this map. Just have a look. So first, Godavari. Where is Godavari? You can see right? Godavari River.
And Arabian Sea.
Yes, so Godavari, this is Godavari, right? Godavari flows into Bay of Bengal. Right? So where does Godavari River end? In Bay of Bengal, which means Godavari flows towards the east. This side is east, right?
Yeah.
So I'll repeat once again. Our Godavari River that ends in Bay of Bengal. Okay, in Bay of Bengal. So next comes our Narmada. Where is this? Yeah, here. Here we have Narmada, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just opposite. Narmada is flowing like this, right? Into Arabian in Arabian Sea. Very Godavari and Kaveri are the main rivers that meet Bay of Bengal. Godavari and Kaveri. Look, Godavari, Kaveri. These are the rivers that meet Bay of Bengal, which means these are the rivers that end in Bay of Bengal, and Narmada is a river that flows into Arabian Sea. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Rough book, all of you. Please take your rough book. Take your rough book. And just give heading rivers. Next. Godavari, and Kaveri, Godavari and Kaveri. Just put an arrow like this and write Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I had network issues, so I left the
So,
class
look
accidentally.
here, Godavari and Kaveri are the rivers that flows into Bay of Bengal. Okay. And next comes our Narmada river. So all these are the rivers that flow through Deccan Plateau, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So Narmada river that flows into Arabian Sea. It meets the Arabian Sea. Please note it down. Is that clear, all of you? Any doubt? So our Godavari, Kaveri, Narmada. These are the three rivers that flow through Deccan Plateau. In this, Godavari River and also Kaveri River, they meet Bay of Bengal, which means where does Godavari River end? In Bay of Bengal. Where does Kaveri River end? In Bay of Bengal. Here in Narmada, the Narmada River that flows into Arabian Sea. Okay, Arabian Sea, which means Narmada that flows towards the west side. Is that clear, all of you? Azim? State any doubt? Clear, right? Okay. So I'll show the slide for once again. Yes. Look at this map and just go through your notes. Just go through your notes. Where is our Narmada River? Look here. Our Narmada River is here, right? I'll change the pen color. Just a minute. Yeah, Narmada River that flows into Arabian Sea, right? And just opposite our Godavari River and also Kaveri River, they flows to this side, which means they meet Bay of Bengal. Is that clear, Achyut, Hadi, Amaya?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh, very good.
yes, ma'am.
Next, all of you take your textbook. Please take your textbook, EVS 2 Part 2 textbook. EVS 2 Part 2 textbook, page number 5. Page number 5. Page number 5. So now we are going to discuss about climate. Okay. Okay, climate in Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau, that means both Central Highland and also Deccan Plateau. Okay, both the Central Highland and Deccan Plateau is there in Peninsular Plateau, right? So I'll draw the picture for you. Yes, sorry. Yes. Look here. So we are going to discuss about the climate in Peninsular Plateau. Both Central Highland and also Deccan Plateau is a part of Peninsular Plateau, right? Maya sir? Yes. Okay. So in this side, where is north? Suppose this is the direction. This area is north, right? Yes or no? Yes. The climate in this side, in the north part, the climate is semi-dry. Okay, the climate is dry here. Okay, when it comes to south, this side, the climate is very hot. Climate is hot. That's clear for us, right? Because we are in this Deccan Plateau, right? The Tamil Nadu and all. It's very hot here, right? Yes or no? Any more explanation? Nothing, right? It's clear that it's very hot here, right? That is the main difference in the north side, it is semi-dry. And which means near to Rajasthan, Gujarat and all, the climate is semi-dry, and in the southern part, in the south, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana and all, that area, the climate is very hot. If you want, just take your rough book and note it down. North of Peninsular Plateau, that the climate is semi-dry. You can note these words in your rough book. And in south, in southern part of the Peninsular Plateau, the climate is very hot or warm. And the north side of the Peninsular Plateau, give heading climate. CLIMATE. Give heading climate and just note these words. In the north part of the Peninsular Plateau, the climate is semi-dry. And in southern part of Peninsular Plateau, the climate is very hot. Climate is very hot. But around the month of June and October, we know that's the rainy season, right? From the month of June, July, August, September, that's the rainy season. At that time, in Kerala, in Tamil Nadu, in the southern part, we experience rainfall. Okay, that is another difference. But you just note it down. In the north part of the Peninsular Plateau, the climate is semi-dry. And in southern part of the Peninsular Plateau, the climate is very hot. Climate is hot. Okay. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the main difference of climate in north part, which means near to Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and all, their climate is semi-dry. Do you have any idea what is the reason in Rajasthan and all? Why the climate is dry there in Rajasthan?
And there's
There
no
were some network issues. That's why.
Okay, okay. What is the reason for the climate? Okay, the climate in Rajasthan in the north side, that is semi-dry. What is the reason?
Ma'am, there is not enough cotton.
image for the, yes, this side. What is the reason for that? Look, what is
Ma'am,
it?
ma'am, it is near our desert.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is near our desert.
Few trees are there, right? Rainfall is also less. Okay, that is a reason for the semi-dry climate. That is a reason for semi-dry climate and the north side. North means this area. Okay, here the climate is semi-dry, the dry climate. Okay, and in southern part, we know the climate is very hot. Okay, so let me ask another question for you. What are the common trees or plants that found in peninsular plateau? Is there any problem? Look here. Which are the common trees and plants that found in peninsular plateau?
Ma'am, coconut tree.
Coconut tree. Why you include coconut tree?
Ma'am,
Because we know that Kerala, Tamil Nadu and all these states are also the part of peninsular plateau, right? So we can include all those trees under peninsular plateau because we are also in this peninsular plateau, right? The southern part of India, yes, very good. Do you heard about sandalwood? Sandalwood.
ma'am.
Red sandal powder is very good for skin. Sandalwood. Okay, sandalwood.
Now I have it.
Okay, so what about animals? What are the common animals that found in peninsular plateau? This is the easy question. Animals found in peninsular plateau.
Peacock, elephant, parrot, bird.
Elephant, very good.
Leopard.
Very good. Leopard, then monkey, very good. Tiger, okay. Okay, fine. All these are the certain animals that found in our peninsular plateau. Is there any confusion? No, right? All these are the animals found in peninsular plateau. But look here. This you have to note down. It's there in your textbook. Okay, page number 6. Just take your textbook, page number 6. Take your textbook, page number 6. Okay. Plants. Sribhadra, can you read about plants? First line.
Such as sandalwood and mukha grow in these forests.
Okay, so please underline the word sandalwood. Please underline the name of a tree that is sandalwood. Please underline. Sandalwood. Okay, yes. Sandalwood. Please underline the name.
They should also grow well in hot climate.
Only this. Next, please underline about the soil, that is black and red soil. Both black and red soil are found in peninsular plateau. So sandalwood tree is found in peninsular plateau. Black soil and red soil are also there in peninsular plateau. And about animals, please underline tiger, monkey, any 3 animals. Okay, tiger, monkeys and elephant. Please underline these 3 names also. These are the animals that are found in peninsular plateau. You can also include another animals, no problem. But from your textbook, please underline these points. Okay.
Ma'am, we can underline leopard.
Yes. Next, about crops. In this peninsular plateau, which are the common crops that we can easily cultivate? Okay. Which are they? We already discussed about cotton, right? Yes, sir.
Yes, cotton.
Ma'am, sugar.
Sugarcane, and tobacco, and tobacco,
Okay.
and tobacco leaves,
Good.
and tobacco leaves,
Yes. Very
and tobacco leaves.
Yes. All these are the certain crops. Crops that we
Ma'am,
can easily cultivate
excuse me, ma'am.
in peninsular plateau. Which are they? Cotton. Repeat after me. Cotton. Coffee. Okay, at least learn 4 points.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Sugarcane and tea and coffee. That is easy, right? Tea and coffee. We can connect. Tea and coffee, right? And also cotton and
Excuse
sugarcane
me,
are
ma'am.
the common crops that found in peninsular plateau. In the case of animals, elephant, monkey, tigers are the common animals found in peninsular plateau. Is that clear? Yes, Achut?
Ma'am, tobacco leaves are also.
Yes, yes. Tobacco also.
Yes, ma'am.
And one more point, that is, in this, we all know this is peninsular plateau, right? And what is this? Chota Nagpur plateau in central highland. Okay, there is a speciality for this Chota Nagpur plateau. In this Chota Nagpur plateau, there are a lot of factories and industries. In the Chota Nagpur plateau, lot of factories are there. Do you have any idea why? What is the reason for that? Because in this Chota Nagpur plateau, it is rich in minerals. It is rich in minerals. We all know that our Malwa plateau is rich in black soil, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, our Chota Nagpur plateau is rich with minerals. Minerals like iron, aluminium, and all. Okay, so please take your textbook, page number 6, and underline the word mineral. Underline the word minerals. So, which are the common minerals that found in our peninsular plateau? Iron and aluminium. What is it?
Iron and aluminium.
Iron and aluminium. So due to this reason, our Chota Nagpur plateau, in the Chota Nagpur plateau, lot of factories are there. Lot of factories or industries are there in Chota Nagpur plateau. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. So that's all for today. So we successfully completed our first chapter from term 2. Yes, plateaus and highlands of India. Okay. So workbook. Okay, please be ready with your workbook. Next week we are going to answer the questions from your workbook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
For you, that is our Adidev MG.
Sringa is present.
Yes, Sringa. Yeah, Sringa is present. Okay. Noted. Next, so the absent is your Adidev, Aditya, Alex. You are going to complete your workbook questions, right? So definitely questions will be there. So please learn and come. Okay, bye-bye. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.